Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to make your music albums animate on your iPhone lock screen in iOS 26 or later. iOS 26 takes lock screen customization to the next level with a brand new feature that lets music albums animate directly on your iPhone lock screen. When you are playing songs from Apple Music, the album artwork can now come alive with subtle motion, creating a more engaging and dynamic experience every time you check your device. That said, let's get started. So first we have to launch the Apple Music app on your iPhone running iOS 26 or later. And then we have to play a supported track. Then we have to bring up the lock screen music player. Now we have to tap on the album art in the lock screen music player. The artwork will expand and animate, thereby creating a more immersive listening experience. While animated album artwork has been available within the Apple Music for quite some time, this marks its first appearance on the lock screen. Keep in mind that not all songs support it yet, but the number is steadily increasing. It's worth pointing out that Apple is also opening the animated album art feature to third-party developers, so you can expect it to work with apps like Spotify and YouTube Music sooner rather than later. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily make music albums animate on your iPhone lock screen. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it to spice up your music time. And I'll catch you up in the next one.